Hello, my name is Alexis Jillian Tumanday from 1.7 BSP. Today, I'll be presenting my writing portfolio for the Academic Communication course. First on the list is Activity 1, Vision Board. One of the key activities that showcased my learning was creating a vision board. This activity helped me to develop my goal setting and self-motivation skills, encouraging me to stay positive and committed to my personal and academic growth. Next is the activity 2, Career to Classroom Connection Writing. In this activity, I explore my future career goals of becoming a clinical psychologist. I learned how to connect my academic lesson to real-life career paths and understand the responsibility of helping others through therapy. This activity helped me to develop my self-awareness, career planning, and writing skills while inspiring me to stay focused on my dream profession. Next is the Activity 3, Essay Analysis made by AI. In this activity, we created an essay using AI and analyzed each paragraph to understand the structures and content. I learned how to organize information and express opinion clearly in writing. This activity helped me to prepare for writing my own essay and improve my ability to structure ideas logically and effectively. Next is Activity 4, the Essay Outline. In this activity, we started by creating an outline to organize our thoughts before writing. This activity helped me to develop better organization and logical flow in my essays, making more focused and coherent. We also have the Activity 5, which we write a thesis statement, hook, and the body. This activity helped me to develop my essay writing skills by teaching me how to start effectively, organize my thoughts, and write a complete, well-structured essay. After doing those activities, we already write a whole essay in Activity 6. In this activity, I improved my writing skills by learning proper structures of an essay. For the last activity is Activity 7, Proofreading. I learned how to identify errors and revise my work to make it clearer and more polished. This activity strengthened my writing skills and taught me the value of revising until my essay became well organized and effective. This course has significantly improved my academic writing skills, particularly in organizing my ideas and expressing them clearly in a formal way. I gained confidence in writing essays, creating outlines, and revising my work to make it stronger and more polished. Thank you for viewing my portfolio.